Oh yeah. God. It's really sunny. I'm here now at ExCeL in London, ready for break in London. Yes. And look, there's a tractor there. See that? That's on the land of the government secrets. I'm pretty sure this area has just been sat like that for the last 15 years. What I've known it as is just one big government secret. Boris Johnson's probably got a bunker under there. But anyway, other than that, I'm here. It's been a most excellent journey coming down here, as usual. I'm ready for Comic Con. It's not Expo anymore, especially now Reedpop's got it. But here I am. Now I'm going to go meet Simon and sell him with a extremely important question.